Oh, all right. Welcome to the next lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to set up your lab for coding. Now, a quick disclaimer: most people think when you are coding, you need the internet for coding. You don't need anything in the internet. You only need what we call IDE and the web browser. So, quickly, we are going to open our website. So, open to Google. When you go to Google, we are going to create our we are going to download our softwares we will need for the coding. The first one is IDE. IDE is where you are going to do all your coding. So the most popular one is called VS Code. So just type VS Code in your code and click on it. It will lead you to the first one. Okay, this is the VS Code. You click on the VS Code. It will take you to a page like this. Then you are going to click on download right here, or download for Windows right here. When I click on it, it's going to start downloading. So it will start downloading. If it doesn't start download, you can click on the direct link, this direct link right here. You can click on it, but it should start downloading. Let's wait because it is still loading. All right, so my browser is going to open like this, my software, where I'm to save it. Okay, so you can save it on downloads wherever you want to save it. It's your own choice. So I click on save. When I click on save, it will start downloading. All right. Okay, so it will start downloading right here. When it's finished downloading, you go to where you are saving it. Then you install it like any other software we use. Okay, because I have it already, I will pause it. So we need VS Code in another software called web browser. So the most popular web browser for development is Google Chrome. Okay, you can simply type Chrome. So Chrome, download, download for Windows or for your operating system. You click on Chrome. You're going to it will lead you to Google. So you go to Google, you click on it. After you've clicked on it, you are going to download and install Google Chrome like any other software. If you have Google Chrome already, you don't need to download it again. Okay, as for me, I have it already and I will not download it. So you click on the download Chrome and it's going to download. Then you go and install it just like you install any other browser. But make sure you create a desktop link so that it will be very simple for you. All right, so this is how we download Google Chrome and VS Code. These are the two softwares we use for development. Let's quickly learn how to set our our lab for the coding. So I'm going to all right, so let's quickly hold on. All right, so I'll quickly go to my screen right here. All right, so let me go to my screen. So this is my desktop. So to do this, you are going to open a folder. All right, so let's create a folder and let's call this folder HTML, CSS, and JS lessons. You can call it anything you want to call it, but this is what I chose to call it. I hit enter. When I hit enter, I will just double click or hit enter again to open it. Okay, so to open it, when you finish opening it, you are going to create a file, but we will not create the file here. Let's open the VS Code you install, which is this one, the one you downloaded and install it. let's open it by double clicking. So when I open it, I've opened another. When you open it, this is not how it's going to look like because I'm using it. So I'll go to file, then I'll look for open folder. Okay, you can also see the shortcut key there, control key, control O. So I'll click on it. When I click on it, it will open my windows windows file explorer. All right, then I'll go and look for the folder I created, which is css, sorry, html, css and js lesson. I'll click on it and select folder. So when you click on it and select the folder, this is how your interface is going to look like. Now we have two areas right now. This is the place we are going to write all our code, and this is the place we are going to see our files. Alright, so I think it's enough for now. In the next video, we are going to learn how to create our first file in HTML CSS. Alright.